Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklit Educational channel. So this is regarding the UGC NET June 2026 examination, and breaking news is that big update coming from the UGC NET regarding the new syllabus, new paper, new opportunities. So what are all these things? We will know all these things in this video. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So guys, this public notice came on 29th of April 2026. If you don't know this, let us go through this once. So submission of online application form for the UGC NET June 2026 for the 85 subjects. The application starts from 29th April, it has started, and it will be till 28th of May 2026. And last date of examination submission fee is 20th of May 2026, and they have announced that correction of the online application form is applicable from 22nd of May to 24th of May 2026, and exam city intimation will be on 10th of June. 15th of June you can download your admit card, and examination will be conducted in between 22nd of June 2026 to 30th of June 2026, and admit card will be downloaded as it is mentioned on 15th of June. So within 7 days there will be your exam. So start preparing for the examination. Application fees are mentioned here. Now coming to the main thing, that is the breaking news which is introduced by the UGC NET, which we all are waiting for. Let's move on to the next slide. So this letter is from the UGC University Grant Commission on April 29, 2026. You must not be aware of that. If you are aware, you should know it more effectively. Introduction of forestry as a subject in the UGC National Eligibility Test. Yes, the meeting was held on 18th of April 2026. It was 597th meeting of the commission, and they have decided to add one new subject, that is forestry, in the UGC NET from June 2026 onwards. And the syllabus for the forestry subject is available at the UGC NET website, but we will now also know the syllabus overall thing, so that if you're appearing for the any other subjects such as environmental science or disaster management, but you are from the forestry background, you are now lucky because your subject is now included in the UGC NET. So now let's move on and check the syllabus. If it is easy for you, you can opt for that paper also. So here we go as UGC NET syllabus for the forestry. They have already given in the UGC NET website. There are total 10 units for the forestry subject. General forestry, unit 1, silviculture, agroforestry and social forestry, forest products and utilization, forest biology and tree improvement, forest resource management, climate change and environmental conservation, remote sensing, forest policies, legislation and convention, and the final unit is research methodologies and statistical application. Here general forestry is given in the unit 1. Silviculture is there in the unit 2, principle and practices. But what is important for the people, those who are appearing for the environmental science or disaster management, so some of the portions are from our unit also, environmental science, ecosystem, biodiversity. Unit 6 is related to forest resource management, in which biodiversity conservation and wildlife management is one of the major part. Here national parks, in situ, ex situ conservation, food chain, ecological succession, nutrient cycling, almost all the subject from the major portion of the environmental science syllabus UGC NET is here in this unit. Similarly, ecosystem services is also there in 6.4 part of the unit 6 for the forestry paper. Unit 7 deals with climate change and environmental conservation, which is more appropriate for the environmental science, environmental degradation, pollution, EIA, UNFCCC, international conventions, global carbon cycle, carbon budget. All these are coming under the unit 7, that is climate change and environmental conservation. So if these are the syllabus and you are from the forestry and you are preparing for the environmental science paper, now you can switch on to your own region, own zone, that is forestry, and you will be much more confident if you appear in this paper. So the people, those are appearing for the environmental science paper also, and your background is not from the environmental science, if you like this, if you know this syllabus more efficiently, then you can go for this subject, I would suggest. So, and we are also conducting the daily quizzes on Telegram page or Learn for the Environment. You should join for enhancing your knowledge and to practice every day. Full detail about the syllabus, I will share the link in the details in the description below. So this was the thing which I wanted to tell you. Now the time is very suitable for you to prepare for the examination. Hardly 1.5 months are remaining. So all the very best for the preparation. We will come with more videos related to the environmental science as we are dealing with that. Also mock test will be released after it is completed. So stay tuned for further updates. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon to get all further updates. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.